He was a boy, just a boy, when I was a very young girl. When I was 16, I discovered it. Love. All at once and much, much too completely. It was like you suddenly turned a blinding light on something that had always been half in shadow. That's how it struck the world for me. I was unlucky. Deluded. He came to me for help. I didn't know that. I didn't know anything till after the marriage, when we'd run away and come back, and all I knew is that I'd failed him, some mysterious way. I couldn't give him the help he needed, but couldn't speak of. He was in the quicksands and clutching at me, but I wasn't holding him out. I was slipping in with him. I didn't know that. All I knew is that I loved him, unendurably, but without being able to help him or help myself. And then I found out, in the worst of all possible ways, by coming into a room that I thought was empty, which wasn't empty. It had two people in it. The boy I had married and an older man who'd been his friend for years. Then I ran out. All did. All ran and gathered about the terrible thing at the edge of the lake. I couldn't get near for the crowding. Somebody caught my arm and said, "Don't go any closer. Come back. You don't want to see." See? See what? Then I heard the voices say, "Alan. Alan, the grey boy." He'd stuck the revolver into his mouth and fired, so that the back of his head had been blown away. It was because the dance floor, unable to stop myself, I suddenly said, "I saw, I know, you disgust me." And then the searchlight, which had been turned on the world, was turned off again. And never for any moment since has there been any light stronger than this kitchen candle.